In
Yeah.
those 7 weeks, on 12 prop firm accounts totaling about 2 million, I've got $74,500 results
Wow.
over that period. It's something like 27,500 just this week, and we are the second week of January.
Wow.
So
That's
it
crazy.
seems exceptional, but it's just a fraction of a percent of that 2 million pot. So exceptional results. And all of that is hands off. It's the football manager of trading,
Yeah.
because I'm coordinating an army of bots in my portfolios, hands off, watching it play out now. The hard work is done.
Yeah, really good. Really like to hear it.
Yeah.
And when you break it down, the actual results that you're getting, it's only a couple of percent per month. It's not
Yeah.
astronomical when you break it down.
Yeah.
I mean, if you were trading your own capital, which a lot of people did prior to prop firms, it probably wouldn't be worth it. Well, it would be worth it. Any profit's profit. But the fact that you're leveraging other people's capital, essentially, that's how you think of
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
A million goes a long way. 2 million goes a hell of a long way. So
Yeah.
I'm glad that you're sticking to the process, and I'm glad that it's chipping away and you're getting great results. That's really good to hear. Have amazing results already, but what are your goals over the next 12 months?
Um, I mean, I've spent a lot of time dreaming. I think I'm past the tipping point. I think this is it. Um, it is to get 2 million funded by half one this year. And I think
Yep.
I'm on track to do that. To scale in the next 2 years to 4 to 5 million funded. But actually, how much do you need? Maybe there's a little bit of greed in there. You don't need to do that.
Hmm.
There is a balance here between the amount of administration you want to match and actually getting on with your life. I'm full time in corporate at the moment. The dream is to exit corporate. I'm already speaking to accountancy firms about how I can set up my company. Obviously, tax considerations need to be thought about, and I've got some advice on that, and I sort of know what I need to do to set up a limited company, and I've got some help lined up to do that.
Hmm.
And then I will go and work on my golf handicap and tour on my motorbike and take my family on holidays and do whatever the hell I want to do. The benefits of becoming financially free, which I genuinely believe this will get me there. Fabian's on the line. Fabian, you're a student and you're now living that dream,
Yeah.
and have gone professional full-time trader. And that's exactly the path I want to follow on, riding on your coattails, really. So,
Yeah.
I'm about a year behind you, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
but you're doing great. So very good start definitely
Yeah,
into
definitely.
your career.
Um, Really, really good. Really pleased to hear it. Everything, that's
Yeah,
like music to my ears. Really, really,
yeah,
really pleased.
that's great.
Um, what would you say to someone who's on the fence of joining?
Yeah. Um, so I can speak with some authority on this because of the decade I've had trying to make it. Um, this is an excellent solution to the problem of trading, because it is building that investment firm model that uses a data-driven approach, taking 8 years worth of backtesting data, building strategies specifically aligned to assets, that is shock tested through Brexit in Ukraine and Trump and COVID, that is scalable, as we've talked about. And it is a path to becoming truly financially free, because once these portfolios are established and stable, then they are extremely risk averse, highly uncorrelated, and can tick over really for the rest of our lives. I can't
Yeah.
see, and I've spent a lot of time thinking about what could go wrong. What am I missing here that is going to blow up and kill me? And actually, I don't have an answer on that at the moment.
Mm.
If a market shock was to happen and something was to fall over, well, I've got multiple portfolios anyway. I've got
Yeah.
multiple
Mm.
prop firms as well. So if one of them kicks me out for whatever reason, I've got, that distributed model where I'm spreading that risk and will
Yeah.
always maintain an income.
Yeah.
That is the investment firm model,
Yeah.
which is
Exactly.
amazing.
Yeah. It's I always well we sometimes do content on the front end. We talk about owning your own mini fund, and that's essentially
Mm.
Yeah,
what this is, your own mini
Yeah.
private fund. But this will, regardless of what happens, this will morph, this will change. But the idea of building strategies based on pattern recognition and data, that's going nowhere. If anything, the
Yeah.
tools are going to become better. There'll be AI integrations, things will become smarter. So that's the way the industry is going anyway. I guess we and a few others are just on the front line, I guess,
Definitely, yeah.
before it goes that way completely.
Yeah, definitely.
Appreciate that. What about the main man here, Fabian? What about his role in the company?
He's an expert, and there are regular calls throughout the week, and we can pop on and ask a question and get that answered all the time. And where we need a little bit more time, we can have one-to-ones. And I was fast in learning because I think I had a head start, and I really went hard at this very quickly, but I still needed help. And Fabian was there and guided me and answered some killer questions for me, which is really important.
Yeah, you're making him blush now.
Thank you.
It's been great, honestly. But he's, again, he's a student that has now become a master and is teaching us. Yeah. And clearly he's got the passion, like I think I have, for this. And now I've got this, I want to help people with it as well, as much as I can, because to become financially free is amazing.
It's changed life, and you want to change other lives as well. Yeah, that's the passion on it. Yeah.